বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, তোমরা যারা শিউরে প্লাস বই থেকে একজন সৎ কাঠুরিয়ার গল্পটি শিখতে যাচ্ছ তাদের জন্য আমি উচ্চারণ বলে দিচ্ছি। চলো তাহলে আমরা উচ্চারণ শুরু করি। Honesty is the best policy, or an honest woodcutter, or honesty of a woodcutter. There lived a woodcutter in a village. One day he was cutting wood near a river. Suddenly the axe fell into the water. The river was deep. The woodcutter did not know how to swim and dive, so he was sitting there sadly. Then a wonderful thing happened. Suddenly a beautiful fairy appeared before the woodcutter. She wanted to know the reason of his crying. He told her everything. The fairy took pity on him. She went into the water and came back with a gold axe. The honest woodcutter told her that it was not his. The fairy again went into the water and brought a silver axe. The man did not take it. At last the fairy went into the water and came back with his real iron axe. This time the woodcutter became very glad and cried out, "It's mine! It's mine!" The fairy became pleased with him for his honesty. She gave him all the 3 axes.